to show you how you can make your own pizza logo using Placit's design templates. So first thing you need to do is head over to Design Templates, and on the drop-down menu you're going to see the Business Logo Maker category. So click there and you're going to see a lot of business logos. So today we're going to focus on the pizza logo one. So click on that one and you're going to see how easy it is for you to customize your own business logo. So you can put your logo on your shop, you can put it on print materials, on t-shirts, on social media, on a lot of different places. So get started. On the right hand side, you're going to see a lot of different graphics, a lot of different pizza slices you can use. Just click on them and they're going to show up immediately on the preview in the middle. So just choose one that you're going to feel like it's going to really reflect your business. I really like this one. So after you choose a graphic, you're going to be able to choose a color for the graphic. Again, just click on it and it's going to be reflected immediately. So once you do that, next thing you need to do is on the left-hand side, you're going to be able to customize the text fields. So this is also very, very easy to do and very fun because you can instantly see how your business logo is looking. So after you type your text for your business, you can just choose a different font that's going to represent your business and that's going to go along with the graphic that you already selected. So once that you do that, make sure that you change all the different text fields. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do is change the layout. Right now we have the graphic in the middle and the text down below, but you can have it aligned to the left or you can have it aligned to the right. I want it to the left and I want this text field a little bit larger, so you can do that as well. Then what I'm going to do is copy the same color because you will be able to either type your own hex code. If you already have a hex code, you can choose a color from the little grid over here, or you can choose a color picker, whichever you want. Then what I'm going to do is paste it over here so it's the same exact color. I really like that. Then the final step for my business logo, for my pizza business, is to change the background color. And that's it. That's all I need to do right now. My pizza place already has its own logo. Right now I just need to hit download, and for $39 I already have a business logo. I have my pizza logo ready. I don't need to hire a designer. I don't need to be a designer. I don't need to waste time in Photoshop or Illustrator or any other complicated tool out there. So go ahead, head out to Placit, test it out by yourself. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions whatsoever. And what I'm going to do right now is show you some other examples of pizza logos that you can make using Placit. For example, this is Pizzeria Palermo. This is another pizza logo used with the same template. See how much the exact same template can make? Like, all you need to do is use your creativity to make a variation. Like, this is Pizza My Heart in New York. This is Mystic Pizza in LA. This is Pie in the Sky in LA as well. And this is Tony's Pizza in San Francisco. All of these different pizza logos were made using the same template. So possibilities are endless. So go ahead and make your own pizza logo right away. Again, let me know in the comments if you have any questions, any ideas for other fellow pizza sellers out there, and I will be happy to hear from you.